Combating poverty involves delving into the intricacies of the psychology of money. Poverty is a denial of choices and opportunities, a violation of human dignity. World Bank pronounced poverty as deprivation in well-being, resulting in a low income and the inability to acquire the basic goods and services necessary for survival with dignity. According to research, 1/3 of deaths around the world, about 18 million people a year or 50,000 per day, are due to poverty-related causes. Poverty is like a heavy shroud that wraps itself around the lives of millions, leaving scars that run deeper than any wound. The repetition prevails consistently when poverty persists. To eradicate poverty and disrupt the cycle of generational disadvantage, it is crucial to achieve financial well-being. Achieving financial well-being involves seizing the opportunity of wealth creation and unfolding the journey to prosperity. This path is illuminated by adhering to the 6 laws of money that will make you rich, from The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. If you are new here, remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on personal finance, wealth-building strategies, and empowering tips to enhance your financial well-being. Hit the notification bell to stay updated whenever we release new content. Law 1. Save money. Practice fiscal responsibility. Housel Morgan writes that building wealth has little to do with your income and has lots to do with your savings rate. Savings can be created by spending less. You can spend less if you desire less. And you will desire less if you care less about what others think of you. You don't need a specific reason to save. You can save just for saving's sake, and indeed, you should. Savings without a spending goal gives you options and flexibility, the ability to wait, and the opportunity to pounce. It gives you time to think. It lets you change course on your terms. Traditionally, our understanding of saving revolves around the simple equation of income minus expenses, income expenses. However, Morgan introduces a thought-provoking alternative viewpoint that savings can be conceptualized as the residue of income once ego-driven expenditures are subtracted. This implies that our capacity to save is not solely determined by our income and essential expenses, but also by the extent to which our spending is influenced by ego-driven desires. Think about how you spend your money. Some of it is necessary for your life and happiness, like paying for food and shelter, but some of it might be about showing off or meeting other people's expectations. When you look at your spending this way, you will see how your ego, or desire to look good to others, affects your financial choices. Morgan emphasizes the importance of saving money. While we can't control every aspect of our finances, such as our income or market fluctuations, we can determine how much of our earnings to save. Recognizing this empowers you to take control of your financial future by prioritizing saving. Reevaluate your saving habits and consider how your desire to impress others impacts your finances. By acknowledging the influence of your ego and prioritizing saving, you can improve your financial management, gain more control over your money, and potentially increase your wealth, leading to a richer life. Law 2. Compounding magic. Compounding allows you to earn returns not only on your initial investment, but also on the returns that investment generates over time. As your investment grows, the amount of returns generated increases, leading to exponential growth over the long term. This compounding effect is magic because it can significantly boost the value of your investments over time, especially when you reinvest your savings rather than spending or withdrawing them. The key to leveraging the magic of compounding is to start investing early and stay invested for the long term, to allow your money to grow and multiply. Morgan illustrates Warren Buffett as a prime example of wealth accumulation. At the time of writing, Buffett's net worth was approximately $84.5 billion, with a remarkable $81 billion amassed after he turned 60. Buffett's ability to amass such wealth stems from his early start in investing at age 10. By the time he reached 30, Buffett had already accumulated $1 million in investments, and he continued to grow his wealth steadily thereafter. Buffett's story underscores the power of compounding, as demonstrated by the fact that 99.9% of his wealth resulted from this phenomenon. Starting early and maintaining consistency over time were key factors in Buffett's success. Embracing the power of compounding will make you rich. Law 3. Prioritize practicality and reason over strict rationality. In finance, we frequently overlook the fact that even if something is technically accurate, it might still lack practical context. Morgan Housel states, "Do not aim to be coldly rational when making financial decisions. Aim to maintain a level of reasonable judgment. A rational investor considers numerical facts, while a reasonable investor weighs decisions in a conference room among colleagues, mindful of their spouse's expectations and the perceptions of relatives, neighbors, and personal doubts." Investing involves social dynamics often overlooked when focusing solely on financial aspects. Choosing practicality and reason over rationality leads to wealth. Law 4. Allow margin for errors. Preparing for errors and maintaining adaptability in case circumstances deviate from expectations is the most effective strategy for safely navigating a world where money is central to existence. The most important part of every plan is planning on your plan, not going according to plan. Embracing the idea of allowing for mistakes in finances means understanding that unexpected events can happen. This approach encourages being proactive in financial planning. It prompts you to prepare for errors by having backup plans and risk management strategies. By allowing room for error, you develop resilience and flexibility in handling financial matters. It helps you navigate challenges with confidence. Embracing this concept leads to smarter financial decisions, ensuring long-term financial stability and security. Law 5. Emphasize error prevention over pursuing high returns. Place greater importance on managing risk and avoiding potential errors in your financial decisions rather than solely seeking out high returns or big wins. It recognizes that the fear of making mistakes or experiencing losses can significantly impact decision-making processes and overall financial well-being. By emphasizing error prevention, you will adopt a more cautious and risk-aware approach to your financial strategies. Focus on diversifying your investments, setting realistic goals, and implementing prudent risk management techniques to mitigate potential losses. This mindset shift acknowledges the importance of preserving capital and safeguarding against unforeseen risks, even if it means sacrificing the allure of pursuing potentially lucrative opportunities. Ultimately, by prioritizing error prevention, you will aim to achieve greater long-term financial stability and security, even in the face of market volatility or uncertain economic conditions. Law 6. Let go of greed. Strong emotions such as greed and envy can push you toward making sloppy decisions. Managing your emotions is one of the most important things you must work on to become rich. Always remember that your journey will be different from any other person you know, so there is no need to compare yourself to them or be jealous of anyone's greater assets. Let go of greed. Glad you've understand all the 6 laws that'll make you rich? Take the step to integrate these fundamental law of money into your financial practices to cultivate a more deliberate and empowered approach to handling your finances. Following these laws helps you make smart choices, grow your wealth, and deal with money problems. As a result, you will not only increase your wealth but also enhance your overall financial stability, security, and well-being, providing a solid foundation for long-term riches, financial success, and fulfillment. I know as you're watching this video, you've gotten a very good idea on how to create wealth in a little time. Comment your ideas inside the comments box. Let's see what we can learn from you too. The world is evolving. Don't forget to like this video and share to your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel. That's the only way you can help us grow.